4 different types of very easy and healthy fruit salad recipes. Let's make it. Bismillah. Creamy fruit salad. 4 cups of chopped fruits of your choice: berries, pineapple, bananas, mangoes, and sapota, chiku. Tastes really good in this fruit salad, but you can add whatever fruits you prefer. 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. If you like, you can replace it with non-dairy cream. 2 tablespoons honey or sugar. Mix, and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least half hour before serving. If you like, you can add scoop of vanilla or strawberry ice cream just before serving, optional. Enjoy! Mexican fruit salad. 4 cups of chopped seasonal fruits. Tropical fruits taste really delicious in this fruit salad, like mango, guava, pineapple, papaya. But you can add whatever fruits you prefer. 2 tablespoons of chamoy. First add 1 tablespoon, then add more if you like. Half teaspoon of tahin powder. Add more or less according to your taste. 1 tablespoon honey or sugar. Mix and enjoy. Fruit chaat. 5 cups of chopped seasonal fruits. Bananas, guava, oranges taste really good in this fruit chaat, but you can add whatever fruits you prefer and like. 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. I'm using this one. First add 1 teaspoon, and add more if you like spicy food. 1 tablespoon honey or sugar. You can also add 1/4 cup of orange juice, optional. Mix, and refrigerate it for at least half hour before serving. Enjoy! Yogurt fruit salad. 2 cups of chopped seasonal fruits. Or you can also use frozen fruits. Berries and bananas taste really good in this recipe, but you can use whatever fruits you prefer. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, optional. 1/3 cup of yogurt. You can use more or less yogurt according to your wish. 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar. Note: you can always adjust the ingredients and spices according to your preference. Mix all well. Refrigerate it for overnight, or at least half hour before serving. Serve cold. Enjoy! If you like my recipes, kindly hit the like button, comment below, and share ahead. Thanks for watching.